Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sound and vibration section. Here just you can see the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute ringtone on your device, you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first press your up or down volume button, this doesn't matter, here on the right side of the device, and then click here to these three dots, and just by the same way you can swipe this dot to the left side and to mute the ringtone volume, and then just click to down to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.